Here in Metro Nashville, all property owners are expected to maintain their properties in good condition for their own sake and those of their surrounding neighbors. It is the responsibility of the Metro Codes Department to enforce the property standards laws by responding to reports from the community and from routine neighborhood inspections. Here you can see a house that is dilapidated. While these are Metro-owned properties, slated for eventual demolition, and therefore not typical, they do serve as examples of properties that are in need of repair, or, if no longer inhabited, how to properly board up the windows to remain in code compliance. A common problem in Nashville is junk, trash, and debris, which is generally anything that obviously shouldn't be in a yard area, such as used tires, mattresses, other non-decorative items, or inappropriate furniture. If you've got large items that need to be picked up, set them by your curb and call 311 to have them removed. Parking cars on grass or dirt is prohibited in Nashville. They must be parked on gravel or pavement at all times, and no more than 25% of a property's lot can be used for parking without special permission. You are also not allowed to store unlicensed or inoperable cars on your property that are visible to the public, which includes those inside a carport. Such cars can only be stored in an enclosed garage. Additionally, while you may make small repairs to your vehicle, such as changing brakes or tires, major repairs cannot be performed in your driveway. You will also notice that these properties have not had the proper premises identification. This is a quick fix by stopping by your local hardware store and picking up numbers that can either be drilled or stuck on to allow your house to be identified by members of the community and by first responders. The minimum height for residential building identification is 3 inches. The minimum height for commercial or multifamily buildings is 6 inches. Other common problems in neighborhoods are tall grass and weeds. Anytime grass or weeds are more than 12 inches high, it is a violation of the code. High grass can detract from the visual quality of the neighborhood and can attract unwanted pests and rodents. At Metro Codes, our goal is not to punish people, but to get them to take care of their properties in a way that respects and benefits the neighborhood and community. When an inspector sees violations, the first step is typically to issue an abatement notice to correct the violations. This serves as a warning to the property owner to fix the problems by a certain time in order to avoid further problems. If they don't correct their problems, the next step is environmental court. The maximum penalty is $50 per day per violation, which can quickly add up to significant amounts of money. Now that you know more about property standards violations, if you see one out in the community, you can let the Codes Department know by calling 311, going to hub.nashville.gov, or by downloading the Hub app on your smartphone today. Thank you for taking the time to care about your community.